On to a story that has been making its rounds throughout the day now. The police has launched a probe into an incident in which the former OIC of the Police Narcotics Bureau Police Inspector Neomal Rangajeeva had obstructed the duties of a photojournalist today. This was the manner in which Neomal Rangajeeva dragged away the photojournalist to the police post at the premises of the No. 1 Colombo High Court. The photojournalist, who has been identified as Akila Jayawardena, holds an identity card issued by the Department of Government Information confirming his identity as a journalist.
When I was capturing a few photographs, he snatched my camera and grabbed me by my t-shirt and then asked me as to who I am to take his photograph. I then said that I am a journalist and that I work for Maubima newspaper. He then forcefully dragged me to the police post. He removed his jacket and was about to hit me, but he didn't do that. He then instructed civil officials to remove my memory card and then released me. I was badly inconvenienced as a result of what he did. He obstructed my duties.
Police Inspector Neomal Rangajeeva is the first suspect in the case pertaining to the Valikada prison massacre. Charges have been filed at the High Court against Rangajeeva, who is currently out on bail. The police inspector who faces charges is an official who had been given a service transfer. He had arrived at the High Court over a case pertaining to an incident that had taken place during his tenure at the Police Narcotics Bureau. Several media and civic activists expressed their views condemning the conduct of Neomal Rangajeeva.
The seriousness of this is that this incident had taken place at the premises of a main court in Sri Lanka. In the past, we saw how journalists could not fulfill their duties in a proper manner as they were harassed and pressurized continuously. However, we can see that this is resurfacing in a different form after being reduced to a certain extent. The first incident had taken place today. Our request is that these incidents must end now. The country moved silently for 3 or 4 months due to COVID-19. However, this journalist had been threatened within the court premises for taking a photograph. Who is Neomal Rangajeeva? He is facing charges over the massacre at the Valikada prison. If a state official in charge of the country's security conducts himself in this manner within the premises of the court, how will they conduct themselves within the walls of the prison? The time has arisen for the people to decide whether these individuals are guilty or free from the accusations that they face. An ordinary person cannot drag anyone to the police, let alone a journalist. If a mistake had occurred, a complaint can be filed with the police. A person cannot take the law into his hands simply because of his position or for being in the police. Therefore, this is a serious mistake. On behalf of the country, we as a national movement condemn the harassment caused by Neomal Rangajeeva to journalist Akila.
මේ මාධ්‍යවේදී අකිල මහත්මයාණන්ට කරන ලද හිරිහැරය පිළිබඳව